Hello, my beautiful people. I just got home from work and I just have to come into the garden. I just have to. I am going to be sharing something with you, people. I am going to be sharing how you can make your very own tea bags to make tea. It has been about 3 years now I haven't drunk Lipton tea. All right. So this is good. And I also need some oregano. I really need some to relax my nerves. All right. So this is what I'm going to use for tea. You know what? I don't think this is enough, you know. I need a stronger portion. So I'm grabbing one more leaf from over here. Did I break one? All right. I think this should be enough. I got some rosemary bush this morning. I'm grabbing another piece because I have this whole section of the rosemary bush drying up. I have to harvest this. I'm gonna have to harvest all of this. I don't want it to go to waste. All right, so let me get inside now and show you how to make your tea bags. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is to wash our herbs. Always wash your herbs. Wash them. Pour a little water on it. So I'm putting it on the back burner. Putting it on 10 because I want it to boil really, really fast. Yeah, I think I turned on the right one. I'm going to cover it up while we talk about making tea bags. So let me open my curtains and get some light in. That I can always see outside whenever I'm working. Oh, I need to get my tripod. Da, 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 and I sleeps tonight. So what I am going to get from the cupboard are some things that I have been using to make tea. Here is the first bottle. Let's put it right here. Number 2 bottle. Here are some bags. Another bottle. Here are 3 more bottles, but I need to put this one right here because I need to have everything in order. All right, let me grab some more. So, what do we have here? This is sour sop, coconut oil. What's this? I know what it is. All right. Bam. I think this should be the last one. I have to check to see if I have any more. Hold on. So I have 3, 9. I am also going to be needing something from this baggie. My pot is boiling over. Oh yeah. So I'm now gonna turn off the fire. Get my teacup. So this is the teacup I'm using. I cannot find my strainer and I don't have any time to look for it. So I'm just going to pour some of this in the cup. Can I drink that off? I might. Okay. I am going to let it cool off while I'm talking to you people. Okay? Hello. Just doesn't look right. Can y'all see me? I hope you can. Okay, guys, I had to change the setup because I really need to sit and relax and have my tea. But anywho, a few years ago, well, not a few, many years ago, this box of tea right here was our family's favorite tea. Until one day, I took, oh, it's not even open. Until one day, I took out one of these. Let me show you what it looks like. I took out one of these. When I got my teacup with my water, dipped it in there. At that time, I was using sugar and milk to sweeten my Lipton. And when I tasted it, my goodness gracious, I have never eaten wood, but that was exactly what the tea tasted like to me. It tastes like pure wood chips. Like they added some wood chips in one of these bags. I'm not saying that was the case because I know that they are making fake food, fake everything nowadays. And I said to myself, I really don't have to do this, you know. I have my garden outside growing all of these herbs, so I need to find a way how to make my own tea. Give me 1 second. Oregano, thyme, rosemary, tastes nice, unsweetened. It just tastes like flavored water. Put it that way, warm or hot. Yeah, so where was I? Growing all of those herbs. So I said, I need to find a way to make my own tea. So you know what I did? I think the first, hold on, I am missing something. I need to find the jar with the very first set of powder that I made. All right, yeah, here it is. This is my very first jar of powder that I made. And this is the lemongrass. I dried it outside, and then I put it in my blender. I blended my lemongrass, and this is what I got. I got some nice flaky powder. And then I said to myself, I need to get some bags to put my lemongrass powder in. So here is what I got. I got myself a pack of bags. Where did this one come from? I think it's Shein. I think it's Shein or Timo. Praise God for Shein and Timo. And I also got these little handy dandy spoons. So I took my lemongrass and I put it in the little handy dandy bag like this. Look at this, people. Put whatever amount you want in the bag, people. And you are going to pull your strings, see? You pull your strings and tighten it that none of the lemongrass escapes. So when you drop the bag in the water, yes, you'll keep everything. All of the flavor is just going to burst in the water. And this is how I started making my very own tea bags. I don't have to worry about if I am drinking wood chips or cane chips or banana bark or anything at all. So now, let me show you some of the other herbs that I powdered to make my very own tea. So in this jar, I have mint. As you can see, it is still looking green. I have so much of this. I started using some of the leaves in my compost because I have too much. So I have mint. I have a little bit of rosemary in this one, but I can refill it at any time. As I just showed you, I have a lot of dried leaves outside, so I'm going to get some. Here I have some, I think this is a type of mint that I am not growing. This is the Jamaican mint. I got some mint from someone. I dried it because this is my daughter's favorite. I'm not going to powder this one though. I'm going to give it to her. And I also powdered soursop leaf. Look, soursop leaf. Look at the powder. The texture of it, it is so refined. I also have ginger. And from all indication, you all can see that I live on this one because the jar is almost empty. Yeah. This is my go-to tea, like every day, for joint pain and energy and a lot of things. I also have pimento leaf. Now I am not growing a pimento tree, but somebody brought me some pimento leaves and I turned it into powder to make tea. And here is sweet basil. I drank this one last night. This is also good to relax you, like chamomile. So if you're feeling very, very exhausted and you want something to relax you, you can have yourself some sweet basil or whatever type of basil, Thai basil, any basil. I drank some last night and I slept like a baby. Yeah, for real, I'm not exaggerating. And this one is clove powder. I don't grow cloves, but my mom gave me some cloves and I turned it into powder to make my own tea bags. Now this one is called cerasee. This one grows on my fence. I don't have a lot out there now. I don't know what's happening with the cerasee, but I managed to save a little bit. So if you see a green plant growing on your fence in your yard and it have some orangish, yellowish, like little balls like this, look like melons, it is cerasee. You can pick it, dry it, you can keep it in a Ziploc bag, or you can turn it into powder like what I did. Now where is my, this is what I'm looking for, my lemongrass. Yes, and I recently started drinking this, and I think this is going to be one of my favorite-est. I'm saying favorite-est. So y'all remember that lemon cutting I got from my brother? I think after I planted it, I took some of the leaves from that branch and I dried the leaves. I haven't gotten to the part where I turn it into powder as yet, but when I tell you that it is one of the best tea I have ever drank, the plum leaf tea. You don't need no sugar. You don't need no milk. You don't need no honey. It just tastes refreshing and nice. Oh gosh. I'm really going to sleep like a baby tonight. Yeah, so if you all don't trust the things that you're buying in the grocery store, especially your teas, chamomile, Tezo, Azo, Blazo, all different type of tea that they put in bags. And knowing the type of person I am not so sure what I'm buying in the bags, but I am 100% sure what I am growing in my garden, because I was the one that put all those seeds in the ground, take the time to grow them, took the time to dry them, and took the time to blend them and put them in these mason jars right here. And now I have my herb tea collection right here to make my own tea bags. Yeah. And I think this pack of tea bag has been in my house for over a year. Cause I'm not even sure if my son drinks tea bag anymore. Probably my husband is the one that is drinking it. He's drinking it all by himself. That's why it's taking so long to finish. So I don't know if by the time he finishes this, if he's going to start drinking my herbs, but whatever he wants to drink, it's fine with me. I'm just going to continue drinking my herbs. So my gentle people, thank you for coming along with me today to learn how to make your very own tea bags. Yeah, so if you're not sure what you have, should I say, if you're not sure what you have, or if you're not sure what you're drinking, just go ahead and grow your own herbs and get some of these little teeny tiny bags and make your own tea bags, okay? It's getting hot in here. It's all because I'm having tea. So thanks a lot for watching today. I really and truly appreciate all of my returning subscribers. And for my newest subscribers, I appreciate you. Now on this channel, our #1 priority is to save as much as we can, as we grow as much as we can. And remember now, I also love to salvage and repurpose. So if you are enjoying my content any at all, I'm asking you, I have to put down the cup for this one. I am asking you, please go ahead and share the content with somebody so they too can learn how to salvage, repurpose, and grow a thriving garden wherever they are in the world. I mean, I am getting so passionate about this thing. I wish I have some other way how to advocate, you know, this thing to, well, YouTube is a very big platform, so who wants to see it will see it. But help me to push this information out there, people. Help me to push it out there. I have been doing this for quite some time now, and I only started taking the channel seriously maybe a few months ago. I was just posting here and there, honestly. At one point, I felt as if I was going to stop doing it because of all the challenges I was experiencing. But there are a few persons who have been continuously watching, and they encouraged me and said I should, you know, just keep on doing it. And here I am. I am not doing it for myself. I'm not lying. I really love gardening, but most of the times I feel like I just want to work and don't even record anything. I recorded so many videos that I didn't even upload. I have them on my phone for a very long time until I just deleted them. Maybe the ones I deleted were the ones that was gonna go viral, I don't know. But that is how I feel sometimes. But I just want to come on here on a daily basis, well, 6 days per week, to encourage somebody to start a garden one container at a time. Don't worry about space, because there is so much resources out there that you can start a garden. And I'm going to be trying my endeavor best to share most of what I do, of course, with you, so you can gather some information to start your very own garden. I am still in the learning process. I am not perfect, believe me. I learn new things every single day, and whenever I learn something new, I am willing to share it with you. So, you know, oh gosh, enough of my yapping. I think I yap a lot at work today, and here I am yapping again. Cheers to you. Go and have some tea. I am sweating. Oh. See you soon in another video. This tea is good, and I'm gonna sleep good tonight. See you in another video, people. You know, I think I should have some crackers with my tea. I don't know why I didn't go look for some water crackers.